Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. In this video, I'm going to go over a little bit of trading psychology, little tips and tricks that hopefully will help you as they've helped me throughout my trading career. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is trading psychology. I believe is probably about 90% of your success. If you can understand yourself and how you trade and how your emotions are able to dictate the next trade, little things like that, I think then you will be able to succeed as a trader. If you are not able to control your emotions, or if you get too emotional and you don't work on it, then that will be your pitfall of trading. You can learn the charts, you can learn everything as much as you want, but if you don't have the mental psychology side down, it's really going to hurt you. So here's a couple tricks that I've learned throughout the years that have really helped me, right? One is to not think about the money. I've really had to detach myself from the money side, the losing side of trading. I've always been attached to money, I think because I grew up with very little, that when I actually started to make money, all I wanted to do was essentially save all that money because that gave me safety, right? Now, I got friends that every single paycheck they get, they go out and blow it, and they wonder why they're always broke. Well, for me, I've always had that real attachment of money equals safety, right? So when I started to day trade, I was so fearful of losing the money, right? One of the reasons I started my website, Day Trading Fearless, years ago was because I had to overcome the fear of losing the money. And one of the best ways is what we need to do is shift the way we look at it, right? Tell ourselves a story. You've probably heard about how people talk about rewiring your brain. Well, this is one of the ways of rewiring your brain. Tell yourself a whole different story and tell it enough times to where you actually believe it, and you will actually start to see a change. So let's look at it this way. Let's say you see the trade set up and you're about to click the mouse and all of a sudden you start to go, oh my God, what if I lose? I'm going to risk $50 on this trade, right? Because you better have good trade management before you even enter the trade, right? Meaning, where's your entry, where's your stop loss, and where is your target? If you could do that on every single trade, that's half the battle, right? So that really helps you with the emotions of the trading, because now you're not like, oh my God, I could lose $500 or $1,000. You know, I'm risking $50 to potentially make $100, right? On the trade. Well, that helps with pulling the trigger, because you know the most that you're going to lose, barring anything crazy going on in the market, that you're going to lose $50 and you're okay with that losing $50. But you also can make $100 where you could double that money, right? So one of the really good ways to kind of look at it is to have a plan of where is my entry, where's my target, where's my stop loss, and just tell yourself, listen, I'm going to risk $50 to see if I could double that and make it 100. If I lose it, it's only one trade out of 1,000 trades over my career, or however many trades over the next year or so. And I will not be defined by just one trade, because if you lose $50 and you have a account of 10,000, well, that's less than what, 0.5%? Okay, or that is 0.5% of your entire account. So you're like, okay, hey, I might lose this trade, but the next trade is very independent of itself, and I might actually win on that trade and make back that 50 I lost plus another 50, right? So there are little tricks we need to tell our mind and become very self-aware of who we are as traders and kind of just manage risk, right? If you could really understand and work on the managing risk side as hard as you do with looking at charts, I think pulling the trigger and doing things like that will really, really help you in your overall trading. So hopefully that helps in this video, but I will do more of these little psychology talks, and hopefully if you guys like them, do me a favor, throw a link down below, or sorry, throw a comment down below and let me know if you like these videos and what you want me to talk about. There's so much content out there, so just leave a link of what you want me to talk about and I'll go and talk about it and make videos for you guys on that. So as always, thank you for watching and we'll talk to you soon.